We always strive for doing it right. There's three things in construction. Most people that have been around understand that. Everybody wants it fast, and cheap. Well, we make sure is 100% all the time. We play with fast and cheap as much as we can, but it's got to be number one.
Quality, quality, quality. We get it right the first time, most of the time, almost all the time, and when we don't, we correct it quickly. We are on it, we take care of it, and the contractors know it.
We don't make the same thing twice. Everything's custom, everything's different. Some of these designers are coming up with crazy stuff. You kind of scratch your head, wow, how are we gonna build that? So we're trying to do everything we can, even in our super custom environment, to bring in more and more automation. We're always looking for a machine that's gonna make it faster, stronger, better, and safer. So all this new machinery that's coming out does all that.
Our volume throughput is just tremendously increased with the CNC equipment and some of the other upgrades, especially the software and the CNC working together have made a huge difference in our business.
We've been very happy with Stiles. We've purchased several things through Stiles. They help us with our maintenance quite a bit. They're our go-to maintenance service department.
We're not just buying the machine because you got a nice shiny machine. We're buying the machine because we know you have the manpower and the horsepower behind it to service it. Because when it's down, we're dead.
Maintenance is a great help from Stiles. Their service department is one of the strongest we've found, and that's why we stay away from some of the lesser known machines, because, oh, that part is going to take 6 months to get here. That can't happen. So Stiles has got a great inventory of parts. If something breaks, they're Johnny on the spot with that part for you.